To show you guys how to make some healthy overnight oats. I hope you love it. So you just want to start adding all the ingredients into a mason jar or any kind of bowl that you can cover and put in the fridge overnight. I like to do this the morning before. Chia seeds are a great addition because they give you a lot of nutrients and antioxidants. I want to use a non-dairy liquid. Almond milk is what I usually use, but oat milk is also really good. Coconut cream makes this super creamy. You can also use a non-dairy yogurt. I don't even like coconut, but I have to tell you, I can't even taste the coconut in this, and I love coconut cream in my oatmeal. Vanilla is an optional ingredient, but I have to say I really like it with the vanilla in there. It just adds some more richness and flavor. Be sure and use pure maple syrup to avoid the artificial sweeteners and flavoring. You could also use honey. Agave syrup is also a really good choice. Give it a really good stir. You want to be sure you stir it up enough that all the ingredients get blended really well, and then you'll be all ready to put it in the fridge. This makes one large serving or two medium-sized servings depending on how much you want to have. I think guys tend to want a whole jar. Yikes, don't look at my messy refrigerator. That is the bad thing about making videos. I need to clean it. Make several jars and you can keep them in the fridge for about a week, and it's a great go-to. The end result's a thick and creamy oatmeal, but you can thin it down if you want. If you're trying to watch your portions, you should only have a half jar. That is a half cup serving of oatmeal, which is a regular size serving in the morning. If you're feeling really hungry, go for the whole jar. Some folks like to eat their overnight oats cold. I like mine warm. It takes about a minute in the microwave. So if you're taking pre and probiotics, adding them to the oatmeal is a great way to get that into your system. You want to take your pre and probiotics first thing in the morning, so this is a great option. I also like to add just a little bit of fiber. I already get fiber out of the oatmeal, but just a little bit more is even better. So you might be wondering if you can taste those supplements that I just added, but you actually can't. Once you stir it up, they have no flavor at all. Then you're ready to add your toppings. I love to put blueberries and pecans on mine. I know a lot of people like bananas or strawberries. Just pick whatever you want, and then you can just enjoy it. I hope you guys love the video. Have a great day.